Hey everyone! If you're trying to use a Temu free gift code in 2026, listen carefully, because one small mistake can completely block the reward. And it's exactly why some people unlock free items, while others get absolutely nothing. Before I explain the step you must not skip, I've placed the working Temu free gift code right here on the screen. It's also available in the description and pinned comment, along with backup codes that are still active. Now here's the critical part, the step most people accidentally skip. Most users open the Temu app first. They start browsing products, scrolling deals, checking categories, and then later try to enter a free gift code. By that point, Temu has already placed you into normal shopping mode, not the free gift event. And once that happens, your free gift code often does nothing, even if the code itself is valid. The step you must do first, before opening the Temu app, click the first link in the description. This step tells Temu you're entering through a free gift promotion, not regular browsing. When the page opens, you'll see a QR code for mobile users, a manual code option for desktop users. Scan or enter it. This activates the free gift event correctly. How to know it's worked now? Open Temu. You're not looking for discounts yet. You're looking for confirmation. Usually this appears as free gift interface, reward tracker, event screen, gift selection prompt. If you don't see anything related to free gift, the activation didn't register. Repeat the previous step. What happens after correct activation? Once Temu recognizes your entry into the event, free gift options appear. Reward flow unlocks, tasks/interactions become visible, progress tracking begins. Everything starts behaving differently from normal shopping. That's why this step is so important. Why this fixes broken code problems? Most Temu free gift code not working issues are not code problems. They're activation order problems. Wrong order equals no event equals no reward. So if your Temu free gift never worked before, try again using the code on screen, but this time click the link first, activate properly, then open Temu. And if it finally works for you, comment what free item you unlocked. I'd love to see.